Reference energy level 812. Operation time 15 minutes. Start with the thermal mode. Operate for 10 minutes. Position the client's arm before starting the operation. Step 1. Long push on both sides of the bladder meridian. Push along the bladder meridian 5 times. For smaller clients, you can push one side at a time. Overview of the operation lines. Step 2. First long push, then short push on both sides of the large trapezius muscle. After the long push, repeat 5 times. Use the other hand to assist in lifting. Glide gently over bony areas. Avoid holding the tool stationary. Use sliding techniques. After finishing the left side, move to the right side. For clients who cannot handle much pressure, use a 45-degree diagonal push. Overview of the operation lines. Step 3. Push both sides of the scapula. Ask the client to place their hand on their back. Push diagonally in a straight line, and when reaching the scapular groove, ask the client to place their hand on their back. When the hand is placed, a groove forms. Push from the trapezius to the scapula during the operation. After the long push, do a short push, and then strengthen by flicking the tool. Again, avoid holding the tool stationary. Overview of the operation lines. Step 4. Horizontally push along both sides of the bladder meridian. Tightly push back and forth along the bladder meridian. Overview of the operation lines. Step 5. Push Zhangjing and Tianzang points on both sides. Repeatedly short push along Zhangjing and Tianzang points. A slight sore and swollen feeling during pushing is normal. After pushing, switch to electric current mode for 5 minutes. If the client dislikes the electric current sensation, switch to thermal mode. Lower the thermal mode energy level to below 3. Overview of the operation lines. Step 6. Push the neck nodule. Apply product along the hairline when operating on the neck and shoulders. Otherwise, there may be a prickling sensation during the operation. Overview of the operation lines. Step 7. Target the Fanqi and Fanfu points. First, hold the tool in place, then flick. When using the electric current mode, hold the tool in place at Fanqi and Fanfu points. In thermal mode, avoid holding the tool stationary and strengthen by flicking. Remember to apply product along the hairline to prevent a prickling sensation during the operation. Overview of the operation lines. Step 8. Horizontal push along the spine. No need for strong force. Overview of the operation lines. Step 9. Back shaping technique. Lift closely from the back up to the shoulder. Strengthen in areas with fat accumulation. Strengthen in areas with more nodules. It is recommended to adjust the energy level to 10. Repeat the above operation in a cycle.